So, my name is Sandy Esprit. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Today is a part 2 of a review I've done last year. So, if you've been following me for a while, you may remember this. About a year ago, I posted a video reviewing the L'Oréal Absolut Repair Molecular line. And I was really impressed. Like, really impressed. Because they only sent me the shampoo and the deep conditioner. How soft my hair felt, how much slip I was getting from the mask, and how easy it was to detangle my hair, and just how good my hair felt after using the products. But there was one thing I couldn't tell you in that video, and that was whether I would still feel the same way about using the product consistently over a much longer period of time. Because there's a difference between loving a product the first few times, use it, and actually reaching for it over and over again. And now, I've used it until it was empty. So we're going to talk about it. Was it actually worth the hype? Did I notice a difference in my hair over time? Did my opinion change? And most importantly, would I buy it again? Let's get into it. So before we get into my thoughts now, I want to take you back to that original review because I think it's important to know where I started. I love the gold accent because it gives it like this premium feel, which I identify with. It's positioning as part of my Absolute Repair range, and once I opened it, I smelt it. I loved it. It has a soft, clean, and luxurious, but not overpowering scent. Now, the shampoo itself has this lightweight, creamy consistency, which took me by surprise. It feels really rich, but not heavy. I honestly, that was like a weird thing. I don't even know how else to explain, but yeah. I applied it to my hair, and of course, my hair was wet. I focused slightly on the scalp, mostly on the hair, and I worked it in my hair. And I'm going in gently, I'm not going in hard, and it lathers. This guy, a little bit, goes a long way. It lathers beautifully, and it cleanses my hair. It spreads easily and evenly. It covers and it covers my whole hair, and I feel like no matter how much you work it, it lathers more, but it doesn't strip the hair more, if that makes sense. Like, my hair never felt overstripped. It works. It works. When it comes together, it's so cool. And as I'm rinsing it out, I'm surprised at how how my hair feels. There's a clear difference in the way that it feels. It promises molecular repair, and I don't have a microscope to verify. And I didn't do a test strand. I probably should invest in a microscope, but that's a different story altogether. I can't verify the science. Personally, I want to know the science behind the formulation because that shampoo is just incredible. But I know that my hair felt smoother, it felt softer, and it didn't feel dry or brittle. You can see how my hair, the elasticity, once the water's removed, my hair, the coils shrink back. Now, this is not like a miracle worker. I'm not saying that you use this and it's gonna repair your hair instantly and you're gonna have like no more split ends. I'm not saying that, and if you do, go get them trimmed off. But I will say this, that it has a beautiful balance of cleansing and nourishment. My hair did feel good, and I love that I can use this as part of my regular routine because consistency, consistency, consistency. I know that if I trust this process, my hair is instantly going, not instantly, but it's over time, it's going to look better. So deep conditioning is a non-negotiable in my hair care routine. I've been doing this weekly, and this week is no different. So I was really happy to get to try the L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Molecular Hair Mask. And I was already impressed with the shampoo. So I knew it was only up from here. The packaging, it's in a jar, like a tub, and it's a twist off cap. I love the gold accent of the bottle. I love the scent. It's fresh, it's warm, it's not overpowering. It's really, really nice. The mask has a rich velvety texture that spreads easily throughout my hair. It's creamy, but not super thick creamy. It has a nice lightweight cream, still rich. And right off the cuff, like as soon as I applied it in my hair, I could tell that my hair was loving it. Like it was butter, 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 butter. My hair felt softer, felt more manageable. And as my hair is running through it, y'all, I was just impressed, like just blown away at how my hair felt, how I could run my fingers through my hair. When I first tried the Absolute Repair Molecular line, I wasn't coming into it thinking, this is definitely going to change my hair. I was curious. I wanted to see what all the talk was about, particularly because the line is positioned around repairing damaged hair. And if you've been following my natural hair journey, you know that damage and maintaining healthy hair are the things I pay attention to. My hair is naturally very coily, and between manipulation, styling, detangling, and the occasional use of heat, I'm always looking for products that help me maintain the health and manageability of my hair. So when I first used this line, the first thing I noticed was the feel. My hair felt really good. And I don't mean that in a vague way. The shampoo cleansed my hair without leaving it feeling stripped. The mask had really good slip. And for me, slip is important. Because when you're dealing with coily hair, anything that makes detangling easier is immediately going to get my attention. I remember being really impressed by how easily I could work through my hair. And then there was the overall softness. My hair just felt good. But first impressions are easy. And that's where I want to make an important distinction. A first impression is just that, a first impression. You can use a product once and think it's amazing because your hair feels incredibly soft. But does that feeling last? Does the product continue to perform? Does it become something you actually reach for? Or does it eventually end up sitting underneath the bathroom sink while you move on to the next thing? Because let's be honest, as someone who creates beauty content, I have a lot of product. So finishing something is actually saying something. If I use a product until there is nothing left in the bottle, that means I kept coming back to it. And that's what happened with this one. Fast forward about a year, and I realized I actually finished it. Like completely out. Mangled bottle and all. And I thought, now I can actually review this because I don't have to tell you what I think based on the first few washes. I've had time to use it. I've had time to compare it to other products. I've had time to see how my hair responds to it. And I've had time to decide whether it actually deserves to be a part of my routine. So let's talk about what stood out to me after using it long term. The biggest thing for me was still the manageability. My hair felt easier to work with after using the products, and that matters more to me than a product simply making my hair feel soft immediately after washing. Because if a product can make wash day easier, that's a win. Anyone with natural hair knows that wash day can become an entire event. I mean, we're talking about detangling, we're talking about sectioning, washing, conditioning, deep conditioning, styling, drying. I mean, the list goes on. And then doing it again the following week. Anything that helps make the process more manageable has value. And the Absolute Repair Molecular line gave me that. And again, this is just from using the shampoo and the deep conditioner. Now let's talk about the detangling test. Okay, we're gonna talk specifically about the mask because this was one of the things I really liked about it in my original review. The slip was good, like really good. And after using it over time, that was still one of my favorite things about it. I could apply it to my hair, work through my sections, and actually feel like I was able to get through my hair without fighting with it. And that's important because I'm not interested in a product that makes my hair feel amazing, but makes detangling miserable. I need both. Also, I like it to smell good. I need the softness and the manageability. And that's why this product worked really well for me. Let's talk repair. Did it repair my hair? Now remember that at the time, half of my hair was colored and the other was not. So let's address the big question because the word repair is right there in the name, right? So did I feel like this product magically repaired my hair? No, simple answer. And I think it's really important to be realistic about what a product can and can't do. Here's the reality. Hair that's already damaged doesn't simply become completely untouched hair because you put a product on it. Okay, like let's be for real here. You can't undamage damaged hair. That's not happening. But I did notice improvements in how my hair felt and behaved. And that's what I care about. My hair felt softer, it felt more manageable, it felt smoother, and I felt like I was able to work with it more easily. So for me, the value wasn't necessarily in some dramatic before and after where suddenly my hair was completely transformed. It was in those smaller differences that you notice when you're actually living with the product. So did my opinion change? Honestly, not really. If anything, finishing the product made me more confident in what I said originally. Because I wasn't just impressed by the first wash. I kept using it, and eventually I used all of it. That's a pretty strong indication that I genuinely liked the product. Now, that doesn't mean I think it's the perfect product for every single person. Okay, let's be clear on that. And it doesn't mean it's going to give everyone the exact same experience. Hair is hair. And what works beautifully for one person may not work the same way for someone else. But based on my experience, I liked it. The question, would I repurchase this? Yes. And I don't say that lightly. Because there are plenty of products that I enjoy but wouldn't necessarily spend my own money on again. For me, a repurchase means that product actually earned its place. And I think the Absolut Repair Molecular did. Especially because I liked how my hair felt after using it and because of how manageable it made my hair. Would I necessarily use every product in the line every single wash? Probably not. I had the shampoo and the deep conditioner, and that alone made me enough of a believer in the line. My hair routine changes also depending on what my hair needs. My hair is no longer colored. This is all my natural hair, texture, and color. But I would absolutely consider bringing it back into my rotation. If you're thinking about trying this line, here is what I would say. Don't expect one wash to completely transform your hair. Use it consistently and pay attention to how your hair feels. Pay attention to how your hair behaves. And pay attention to how easy or difficult it is to detangle. And most importantly, pay attention to whether or not you actually enjoy using it. Because that's something we don't talk about enough with hair products. A product can technically be good, but if you don't enjoy using it, you're probably not going to be consistent with it. And you're gonna be wasting your money, let's be for real. And consistency matters. It really does. Okay, and this is probably one of my favorite parts about doing a follow-up like this is that I can look back at that original video and compare where my hair was then to where it is now. Because a year gives you perspective. And you go through different seasons with your hair. Different styles, different hair color, different products, different routines. And some things work, some things don't. And eventually, you start figuring out what your hair actually likes. And I think that's one of the biggest lessons I've learned from reviewing products over the years. You don't need every new product. You need to figure out what actually works for your hair. So, after using the L'Oréal Absolut Repair Molecular line and actually finishing it, here is where I land. I still like it. I really do. I still think the mask has excellent slip. I still love how manageable my hair feels after using it. And I appreciate that I can look back at my original review and say, okay, my first impression wasn't wrong. It held up. And honestly, that's probably the best thing I can say about a product. Because a year later, I'm still recommending it. So that is my 1-year follow-up to my L'Oréal Absolut Repair Molecular review. If you watched my original video, I would actually love for you to come back or to go back and watch that one and then come back here because I think it's really interesting to see what I thought then versus what I think now. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Sandy, and around here, I like to actually use my products before I tell you whether they're worth your money. Because sometimes the best review isn't the first impression. It's the empty bottle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments what's a hair product you've used all the way to the end and actually repurchased. Love to hear from you. Till next time, what's a hair product you've used all the way to the end and actually repurchased? Because those are the reviews I want to hear about. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.